guess what? We have a product review. I've started ordering products from small businesses, and I will be doing a review for each product that I received. So the first product that I'm going to review today is Antidote Beauty.bigcartel.com. Okay, I will put the website and all of the social media information on this video as well. So something really awesome is the packaging, labeling for my product. It looks good. I know exactly who I am getting my product from when I got it in the mail, which is pretty cool. All right, let's see. Oh, how cute! It's in a cute little sachet bag. I like that. Packaged very, very well. Very, very well. As you can see, these are beauty products. Okay, and one of the most awesome things about this particular website was that it's very well organized. There were good selections. There was not only different types of lip tints and lipsticks and glosses. There were some face masks as well, which are very pretty. I did not get a face mask because I kind of like to coordinate my colors, as you can see. Boom, boom, boom. So when I get accessories and things, I like for them to be able to coordinate with my clothing. So I'll be looking for more colors in the future. So got a face roller, a jade roller. All right. It says it's a 360 rotating ball, relax, relieve, tighten. Okay, okay. I think that was a free gift right there. Oh, thank you. Get my roll along. All right, very nice. Alright, so this is my jade roller. Let's go ahead and open that. Free gift, so cool. So I do not see a packing slip in here. So yeah, I don't always remember every single thing I order off of the site. So sometimes you'll have a packing slip that has each thing in there, sometimes you don't. Alright, so there's the jade roller, and that's for, ooh, that feels good. Oh, that's cool. Cooling. Oh, it's cold. This feels nice. So I'm going to figure out how to use that, and I'm going to be using that, because just off of using it just now, it feels cool. It's very cooling. It says relax face muscles and nerves, reduce wrinkles, speed up blood circulation, and tighten skin's elasticity. Okay, keep me young. All right, some other product. All right. So this is the lip tint I got. You can see it there. All right. Cherote. Cherote is the name of this color. Right. Ooh, nice. It's in like an ombre. It's like an ombre colors. Very nice packaging. Very nice. Translucent. This is glass right here, I think. Yeah, I think it's glass. Alright. Okay. So I know I already have some on, but we're gonna still put some. Yeah, I think, yeah, this was a matte. Gotta have a good matte in your collection. I'm using my camera as my mirror. Oh yeah, that's a pretty matte. All right, the name of this matte that I'm using is Cherote. Okay, so you want to definitely check this out. I might be going back to get more colors. I like it. All right, and again, it's Antidote Beauty.bigcartel.com. All right. So, all right, there's an information card here. Thank you for supporting my business. It is my pleasure. It is my pleasure. Okay, beautiful card. And it has the Instagram, Facebook, and email. Awesome. So for Instagram, it's Antidote Beauty by Nakia. That's also the Facebook name. All right, awesome. Thank you, Connie, for your Antidote Beauty order. I hope that you enjoy all of your products as much as I enjoyed providing them to you. Oh, it's personalized. Like, that's awesome. When you have businesses that take the time to personalize the messages, that says a lot about the amount of care that goes in. All right, so these, I believe, are the lip scrubs. Yeah, these are mine. Okay, so I think I got, yep, Himalayan Rose and Honey Sugar lip scrub. It's like so I can make sure my lips are nice and soft. So yeah, so the Himalayan Rose is it's an organic lip exfoliator, and it has lots of moisture. It's made with organic coconut oil, rose water, all natural Himalayan salt, vitamin E, and a combination that noticeably softens and exfoliates your lips. So yeah, I didn't exfoliate before putting on my matte, which I absolutely love. Oh, look at that color. It almost matches my chair cover. Yeah, so from now on, when I get ready to put on my lip tints or colors or glosses, I'm going to be exfoliating. All right, and I'll let you guys know in future videos, like when I use them, and like, you know, how that goes. So those are my products from Antidote Beauty. Yeah, you guys definitely want to check this out. Like these lip exfoliators were only $3. Like, Mary Kay ain't doing that. And this is like good quality. Like, there's good natural products that are in there, right? So we don't know what comes in Mary Kay's lip exfoliators, and I've used them before. The lip masks and the ingredients are not listed. Okay, I'm sure you can request that, but here you have a wonderful small business that provides these beauty products, and you have a list of everything that's in there, and it's good stuff that is nourishing to your body. So definitely check her out. I will again leave her website and all of her information below in the description box. So thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. Anyone who you know is into beauty products, you definitely want to check out Antidote Beauty online. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box, and all of the information will be all over this video, so you guys can reach out. Make sure you follow on Instagram, all those things. All right, so take care, have a nice day.